Fasten the terminals with M412 screws. Make sure the positive is on the right side.
Put the terminal upright.
Fasten the display screen.
Make sure every button is clickable.
Fasten the BMS with M3 screws. Connect the switch and display to the BMS. V4 designed circuit breaker with new buzz bars. Fasten the waterproof case. Fasten every buzz bar's screws. Connect the BMS to the battery in order 1 to 4.
Fasten the outside screws. New LiFePO4 parallel connection, 70mm 2 cables.
Check the circuit breaker.
LiFePO4 battery box is assembled. Thanks for watching.